open government partnership is all about transparency and accountability in governance. What is partnership? Partnership is all about coming together of different interests. So we have in place whereby civil society and the government, which hitherto are all operating as adversaries, now come together to form a partnership of transparency and accountability in governance. That is what is called open government partnership. It's all about, it's a global initiative whereby people come together, both citizen group, which is civil society group, citizens organizations, labor unions and what have you, on one hand, and the government on the other hand, form a partnership whereby they will be following what the government is doing, and they will set a benchmark whereby certain goals will be achieved in governing the affairs of the people. This is all I can say as far as open government partnership is concerned. And what we are doing in Kano State is that, Nigeria joined open government partnership sometimes in 2016, and in 2017, Kano State followed suit by subscribing to OGP principles, and in Kano.
How Kano joined the program?
Kano joined open government partnership through a letter of intent, which was signed by His Excellency the Federal Council to the OGP National Secretariat at the Federal Ministry of Justice. It was addressed to the Minister of Justice, who is the co-chair, and the civil society co-chair as well. And subsequent afterward, Kano State has been formally approved and welcomed into OGP family. We are second to Kano State to join OGP in Nigeria, and preparation has been concluded now to inaugurate the action plan and the steering committee of the OGP, because the action plan has been developed for quite a long time now. We have series of workshops, series of engagement, and what makes Kano State OGP unique is that it is the partnership, because there's what we call co-creation. Co-creation is that the co-creation principle in OGP is that we don't have a chairman, we have co-chairs, whereby civil society organization will provide a co-chair and government will provide a co-chair to form a leadership, which means everybody is equal in open government partnership. So we have a situation whereby the Kano State OGP action plan is being developed by both the government and the civil society, and it will interest you to know that what we are doing, or even the last assignment we have in Kaduna, that was for yesterday, during the validation exercise, it was a heated debate whereby the government will say this and the civil society will, at the end of the day, we come to agree on a common ground, and that is one important, another one very good aspect of OGP, which I believe the Kano OGP is unique in that we have give all the stakeholders their level playing ground so that everybody will operate at his own level, and the principle of OGP has been maintained and has been taken care of in terms of development of OGP action plan and even the selection of the steering committee. Because as far as government is concerned, I am from the government, I am the government co-chair of Kano State. We have never been involved in anything that relates to civil society organization. So also civil society organization, even if some people will just come with an idea of thinking maybe this is not what the government is supposed to do, what we know that is part of the government, or rather is a responsibility of government to do it, we'll do it from our own angle and we'll come and agree on a common ground. And at least today, OGP, Kano OGP is a success.
How important is OGP to the development of Kano State?
The one important aspect of OGP is to checkmate the excesses of wastages and to some of corruption. Kano have developed thematic areas. We have 7 commitments. If I'm right, that 7 commitments border on physical transparency, access to justice, citizen and anti-corruption, and what have you. So if you look at it critically, you will see that the essence of this is to entrench transparency and accountability in governance. And one coming on board this administration of His Excellency the Governor of Kano State, Abdullahi Umar Ganduje, promised to ensure or rather entrench transparency and accountability in governance. And that is why when OGP has been, the idea of OGP has been conceived in Nigeria, Kano did not hesitate to join OGP, even when some states are having reservations. Kano, having realized the importance of OGP, at least subscribe to OGP to ensure transparency and accountability and fight against corruption as well.
Chairman, sir, how is this new order going to assist the activities of your commission? It will assist the activities
of this commission in various ways. But one important thing is, investigation and prosecution is not the only way of fighting corruption. To employ a preventive mechanism like open government partnership will help in no small measures, rather saving the government cost of prosecution, cost of investigation, and at least mending the relationship among the people. So it's not in our own wish, or it's not what we want to always arrest, investigate, and prosecute. If we will have a mechanism like OGP that will, provide an enabling platform of even making it difficult for someone to even engage in the aversion of public fund, I believe it will complement what we are doing, and it will make our work less stressful and less busy. It will make the commission less busy.